In this video, what you'll need to check when sourcing a battery, as well as a step-by-step replacement, and what to expect after installation. The first step is to remove this cover to get access to the battery hold-down bracket. Remove the plastic screws using a prying tool or a flat screwdriver. There's a good reason for disconnecting the negative terminal first, and that's all explained in this video somewhere on the screen. So if you need to, pause this one and go and watch that one first. Since rusted bolts are prone to break, use some lubricating spray if you need to. In this case, a piece of wood was used to secure the battery, so I'll provide some dimensions on the correct size a bit later in the video. Whether you install the positive or the bracket doesn't really matter. What's important is to make sure the cables can reach. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. When sourcing a battery, look for one with a narrow top to fit the bracket properly. Some manufacturers have this narrow top by default, so you won't need a tape measure. Now we'll connect the negative and look at the specifications for this battery. What's important here is the height of the battery. We've installed the 60 amp hour version, which fits the tray perfectly. The first start might be a bit irregular, but just give the engine a chance to relearn the parameters. It shouldn't require a radio code either. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.